Commanders, the commanders Amadou Mona, he's the CEO ya provincial legislature. But our today commanders is just to take this moment and take this time to speak to all the members of Umkhonto weSizwe. You know, I believe if you are a member of Umkhonto weSizwe, you came because of you believe that the MK party, it is the last hope of people of South Africa. Yes. I want to say to all of you, my commanders, let us not forget why we came to Umkhonto weSizwe. Umkhonto weSizwe is here to liberate our people. It is here to change the lives of our people. We didn't come here for any other thing, but we came here to change the lives of people of South Africa. So mine and with the leadership here today, because of even us as we are taking this time, it is because of the love, is to say to you, please, commanders, please, comrades, asinga khohlweni akaskale bala or why retile Umkhonto weSizwe. Let's change lives of people of South Africa. My commander.
You know, Commander Msula, you're saying something that is very profound. We have a slogan, I don't know if it's still applicable because now Secretary Umsila, but we have a slogan in CTC Azizela, Asimenywa, but Azizela. Now, commanders, it's important that we remember that we are only here because we came because of love of Umkhonto weSizwe. Maybe 1 second that I can just advise. Can we limit this in fights on WhatsApp? Can we find a way of working with each other? Yes, we are human beings. We cannot love each other. You understand? Yeah. But can we have a long tolerance for one another? That even in my mistake, when you reprimand me, I see a brother. I don't see an enemy. And when we are doing good, I must see somebody who's taking and advancing this organization forward. Now, my recurring word will always say, unity in Umkhonto weSizwe, so that we close room for infiltrators. Because once we allow infiltration, we are going to be divided. I always say this as I close command, that an enemy identified, it's an enemy easily defeated. Yeah. How are we going to identify our enemies? By the language that they speak. When they speak ill of the organization, when they speak ill of the leadership of the organization, when they speak ill of the problems of the organization, you know that we are with the devil. Yeah. Now, we need to push for the unity of the ground forces, the unity of the collective, the professionals within the organization, the ground forces within the organization, the leadership in the organization. We must join hands in hand to take this movement forward, because 2026, 2027 local